Hey!
Hey.
Sister!
Hi.
Oh. How's it going?
It's good.
Bye-bye. Have a good one.
Thank you, goodbye.
Bye-bye. Thank you. All right. Made it to Prague.
Yay.
And after our experience in Latvia, we were a little nervous about, customs and all that stuff, just with the EU digital COVID certificate. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go watch our last vlog. But made it through, super easy.
So easy.
And now we are headed to town. All right, we're slightly more caffeinated than we were. Now we're walking around Prague. We're trying not to see too much before my sister arrives because we want to, save the surprise. But if you've been watching, you know that we are woefully underprepared in the footwear department for winter and for any kind of hiking. So we're gonna head to the mall and look for some shoes.
And we're figuring this out today.
Getting it figured out.
Yay!
Watch out. What a tourist. Okay, we did it.
We did it.
We did it. What's up, guys? We're at the airport waiting for my sister.
And we bought her a present.
Yeah, she's like addicted to this stuff,
And
so
she only slept like an hour on the plane.
she'll need it.
I'm so excited.
Yay! Hey!
I made it.
Sister!
Hi.
Oh. How's it going?
It's good.
Good.
Long. I.
Welcome to Prague.
Yay!
Prague. Christmas. Sister.
Hi.
We're out and about in Prague. It is day one.
Woo!
We're gonna see the sights. We're here in Wenceslas Square. The girls are gonna grab a coffee before we do a little walking tour, and I'm gonna grab a sausage. Ladies. Little lunch stop. Allie's got the goodies.
Let's find a park bench.
Yum.
I guess so. Here, do you want to switch with me or do you want some potatoes?
Cassidy, what'd you think of your first time having to pay for a public restroom in Europe?
It's cool. It's pretty dark in there though.
It was really dark in that one.
We are loving our walking tour of Prague. We're currently in front of the Astronomical Clock, waiting for the hour to see the little show. The show
I love that the clock is wrong because
of daylight savings.
daylight savings.
Dummies. not the Czech people, whoever invented daylight savings. I'm sure they were really smart at the time. All right, ladies,
What up?
what do you think of the bridge?
It's nicer when
beautiful.
it's not raining.
Truth.
It's
Truth.
very pretty. We're
We're-
gonna go look at this wall.
Yep, we're headed to look at the Lennon Wall, named for John Lennon.
Is he from the Czech Republic?
No. Good morning, dear friends. It is day 2 here in the Czech Republic, and we have something pretty exciting planned for today. We are actually headed to Saxon, Switzerland National Park for an epic hike. So we're walking to the train station right now to meet our guide and get our ride. We are in Saxon, Switzerland National Park, or as we just learned, and I'm going to butcher the pronunciation, České Švýcarsko. Just beginning our hike. First 45 minutes or so is a bit steep. We're here.
We made it.
Yeah, awesome views from up here.
Sunny.
Beautiful hike. Yeah, sun's in our eyes. We just saw the awesome views from up top. Babe, what'd you think?
It was good.
Yeah, really, really gorgeous. This is our guide, Marek.
Hello.
He's a good dude from this area, really knowledgeable, and we're having a great time.
Walking us around.
Looks like the Ozarks.
How you enjoying it, sister?
It's cold, but it's beautiful.
That's the spirit.
Yes, stay positive.
So we are ready for another day exploring Prague, but first we had to get ourselves a nice little brunch. We're at Mistral Cafe near the Jewish Quarter, and we are hungry.
Savory or sweet?
Toast. And we're gonna dig in. Well, we walked around the Jewish Quarter for a little bit, and they actually have a pretty handy system. It's kind of a multiple stop self-guided museum. You could buy one ticket and get entrance to several of the significant synagogues and the cemetery and some other significant sites. Now we are headed up to the Castle Quarter.
going in.
Yeah, we are. Well, this cathedral has a tower climb, and if you know me well at all, you know I am all over that. So, 287 steps, I believe it was. Here we go. That was awesome. Time to head down. Catch up with the girls, see where they're at. So, like probably half of Netflix subscribers these days, Allie and I have gotten kind of into Formula One. So, we found a sports bar here in Prague where we could watch the race. And Allie's excited. By the way, it's 100% a British sports bar. Has nothing to do with Czech food or the Czech Republic, but when in Rome. We just watched the third start of this F1 Abu Dhabi race, and Verstappen just passed everybody. It was crazy. Is this history in the making? Is Verstappen going to be world champion after this? Well, Max Verstappen did not win that race.
No, he did not. But we had a good time.
Wow, I'm going to have to do this part again. Max Verstappen did not win that race.
But we had a